Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word perspired. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I had been working out so intensively that I perspired profusely during my whole gym session. Perspired means to sweat or excrete moisture through the pores of the skin, typically as a result of physical exertion, heat, or nervousness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.